a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy...
Hey guys. It is after work. You saw me this morning. I actually don't know what Vlogmas Day I'm supposed to be recording because the last I stopped on was December 12th. I stopped on Vlogmas Day 12 and then I took 3 days off, which is cheating. I have one final left, which is tomorrow. That was so much in my heart and soul, but I finished! Ah! I finished. Okay, my camera's gonna die, but I'll see you guys at home.
we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. Good tidings we bring.
My sister brought home tamales a few nights ago, and they smack so bad. Smack so bad. I'll talk to you guys later on. Hi guys, it is later on now I think, but I think it literally is later on. Anyway, I'm gonna deep clean. I was laying down for a while, my stomach was hurting, but I'm literally fine. I'm literally fine. It's fine. And I edited a video. I uploaded it for today. I think it's up right now, December 17th. Vlogmas Day 17, and this is Vlogmas Day 19 I'm filming. I have to upload Vlogmas Day 18 for tomorrow, edit it tonight so I can be ahead. So yeah, let's deep clean. I just need it to happen. I'm in my room, clearly, and I want to get just stuff done for myself. I'm having this mindset change at the moment. I'm 19 years old, okay? Mentally thinking here. I'm 19 years old. It is time for me to really mature and level up and help myself grow. I need to be in uncomfortable situations to allow growth to happen, and I'm really sick and tired of just like my habits at the moment. I don't like it. I don't like how my room's dirty all the time. This shouldn't be a thing. I don't like sitting down and doing nothing for the rest of the day unless I'm reading a book. I genuinely love reading. I just love doing that. But I need to romanticize life more. I need to enjoy the air of outside, like the world. I need to see the sky. It just helps me mentally. I live by so many popular things. I'm literally in California. I need to take advantage of this while I'm here, and maybe someday I won't be here anymore. Who knows? Like in California, and it's just the fact that like I feel like I'm growing. I'm having this energy shift. If you don't know, I'm a very universal human being. I'm a very spiritual person. I feel energy, and I'm very just like, I don't know. I just love the universe, and I'm a manifestation girly. I manifest everything I want, and like I write down everything. I love journaling. I love putting my emotions into paper. And I just believe in energies, energy transfer. I believe in the chakras. I believe in all of that. I believe in crystals. Can't tell me nothing about crystals. I have actually, I think 3 crystals or 4 my sister bought me that I have laying around my room, and then I bought 2 for myself that I also have laying around my room. So yeah, I'm just that type of girl. And I think it's time to really step into that version of myself again, because I lost her. I completely did. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I used to be very spiritual and very just like, I loved energy, and I just was very energetic, and then I completely lost that, and I became lazy. I became so much negative things started to attach to me, and I haven't been able to let them go. So tonight is the night. I don't care. I'm gonna clean my room, clean my bathroom, let go of how I'm feeling, let go of my emotions of negativity, and it's time to wipe them clean, get rid of them, let the universe deal with that, and let the universe just genuinely take my soul, help me cleanse it, and become the version that I want to become. I'm tired of just like the same stuff, and it's time for new habits. I feel like at the end of every year I do and tend to feel this way, but this time I'm genuinely going to stick to these things, and I really want to prove to myself that I'm capable, because at the end of the day I have myself, and that is all that matters. And I'm like alone most of the time, which I'm going through this phase in life, like, not phase, hold on, didn't mean to say phase. It's like a true fact. If you disrespect me, you're done. I got some boy neighbors. These 2 boys moved in next door, and wow, fine. I had to take a peek. It's just time for me to step in, you know? Like, I'm turned 20 next year, and I want to get ahead of the game, and I want to dive deep into YouTube. So it's time for me to really lock in and just pull my camera out and get ready to film what I want to film without feeling shy or self-conscious of doing so. And I just want to feel good emotions. I want to be able to allow myself to be who I want to be without judgment. If I'm not judging myself, then that is all that matters. And I'm not going through a phase right now. This is forever. I've been this way since high school, of like the whole disrespect me, you're out type of thing. Like, I don't mess with that. If I feel disrespected in the slightest way, there is no point having you in my life, because you'll disrespect me again. If you did it once, you can do it twice, and a third, and a fourth, maybe even a fifth and sixth. And why should I allow that to happen when I can just take you out for the first try and you'll be done for, and my energy will stay sacred and beautiful and to myself until I'm willing to give it to somebody that is well deserving of it, including friends, not just relationships like romantic, but platonic relationships too. If somebody disrespects you, take them out, because there's no point in keeping them around. There's just literally no point. It does not add up. It doesn't make sense. If you feel disrespected, if you feel negative toward that person, near the person, around the person, anything, like, just take them out of your life. There's no point in having them around, no matter the memories. The memories are memories. At least you get to keep that forever, and you get to look back on those good memories and be like, oh, that was beautiful. But that's it. That's all you should do, because once they disrespect you, it's done. It's a done deal. It's it. It's like when you know. Like, if they're good people, they're good people. If they're not, they're not. And that is the end of the day. And that's something I gotta keep in mind all the time, because me personally, guys, like, I just love myself too much to allow somebody to disrespect me. It's not happening. I want to be the best version of myself. So down the line, if I ever meet somebody that I'm willing to marry and be with, they can have that version of me. They can have that best version of myself. They can grow with me and help me stay motivated. And they can help me continue the habits that I like to do. And they can love me for all of those habits, love all the habits I come with, and just love the person I am and becoming. If they cannot do that, then there's no point in having them around. You know? Because I will not settle for less, including friendships, relationships, romantic things, none of that. Like, just none of it. I'm not that type of girl. I will not allow it. If I feel disrespected, any negative energy, good night. I'm never speaking to you again. It's just the way life goes. If I do speak to you again, it's just due to circumstances of us working together or us having to be around during classes. But other than that, I'm not going to physically and willingly allow myself to be around you. So that's how I'm feeling right now. Sorry for the little dump. But I'm just feeling very center with myself, and I want to be who I want to be, and I want to grow, I want to change, I want to be the version of myself with no judgment. I want to be who I am and know that I am okay being who I am. I want to grow and change into a better version of myself, and that is where I am. So yeah, I am gonna clean my bathroom first, and then I'll clean my room. I'll clean my hamster's cage tomorrow, because personally, these are the only 2 days I have off, today and tomorrow, and then I start working Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and I think Tuesday. So I work 6 days in a row, so I'm really going to get myself, just like, I'm going to balance my energy out and make myself feel good right now and during that time of like working, and just help myself build better habits. It takes 30 days to build a habit and 30 days to drop one. So gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, anyway, bye. I'll talk to you later.
You and your king, we wish you a Merry
I had to put gloves on
Christmas
because
and
this
a
is
Happy
not-
New Year.
This is not happening at all.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I still have a bunch of laundry I need to accomplish, like the pile of laundry you're sitting on right now, and then I have just to clean my desk off and be good to go, and then I have to fold my laundry, and I also need to clean my hamster's cage, but I'll clean it tomorrow because I just can't. I'm so sad. I'm just like really, I just can't. Like I'm so sad. Like I just can't. It's just like the needing to get myself to fold laundry. But I'm gonna do it. So yeah, like I was saying earlier, if I want to step into my higher self, I need to act like my higher self. So she can do laundry. She is perfectly capable of doing laundry. I am perfectly capable of folding my laundry. Bye. I'll talk to you later on. So it seemed like my mother had more laundry than I expected is the word I was looking for. So those are gonna have to wait till tomorrow because I have a book to read and I have a goal to get to. And this book is a lot of pages. I just made it to page like almost 300. Almost. I'm still in the 200s, but almost 300. It has 500 pages. I started it yesterday. So that's a good one day of worth of 250 pages I think I'm at. So I can get to 300 easy tonight. Then 400, maybe 500 tomorrow since I have nothing to do tomorrow but clean. So yeah, I just literally want to read and edit tonight for tomorrow. So yeah. So before I start reading, let me give you guys a book update. This is how far I am. Low-key looks like halfway, but like I know it's not halfway yet. I'm on chapter 28, page 271. I'm gonna get to like at least 400 today. I want to try and read 100 pages. That is the goal, and I'll talk to you later on when I have more to say. But yeah. Alexa, what's the time?
It's 11:56 p.m.
It's almost 12 p.m. I made it farther in the book, and I made it 100 pages farther like I told you guys I wanted to. I'm at 100 pages, past 100 pages. I would have been to 400 if I kept reading right now, but I'm really tired and I'm gonna get ready for bed. But I made it this far. Yeah, it's really far. I read a lot of pages tonight. Today is Vlogmas day 18 that you will be seeing. So yeah, I also want to say that I'm really sorry that I missed a bunch of days. I do feel really disappointed about it, and I'm like really sad and I'm kind of upset with myself because I really wanted to film every day. It just got like overwhelming and then I just gave up, and like that really shows a lot of things that I want to change, like about myself, because like I don't want to be so lazy about something I love doing. So like I'm really gonna try next year literally to make up for me missing those days of Vlogmas. I'll post extra. Good night, and I'll see you in the morning.